me nah walk alone. Jah light lead the road, every step me carry code. Me walk with light, though road get dark. Me soul still blaze like flaming spark. Me nah need spotlight or stage, just wisdom passed down from the sage. Them try distract with knives and gold, but me heart stay warm, my mind stay bold. My part no fast, but still feel right. Me never stray, me walk with light, step by step. Even when the world forget, one drop beat and Jah inside guide me soul through darkest night. Yes, me walk with light. My eyes open wide to signs, my ears tuned deep to sacred lines. Nature whisper truth so loud, but Babylon hide it with crowd. My trod soft but voice stay firm. My spirit no sell, my soul no squirm. Each lyric me sing, each drum me strike is prayer upon rhythm, chanting life. Walk with light, no need to fight. Let Jah justice shine so bright. Me not blind, me not tight. Me live free with inner sight. Oh Jah, me walk upright. Let the rhythm slow your pace. Let the echo cleanse your space. When the night feel heavy, tight, just remember, walk with light. Me no care if me walk one way, long as Jah guide me every day. Some follow trends, some follow crowd. Me follow clouds and chant out loud. Me no rush, me no fear. Me walk by faith, not what appear. Me step with heart, me step with trust. In Jah we move, in Jah we must. Walk with light, keep head high, even when tears fill your eye. Every burden, every plight get lighter when you walk with light. Yes, Jah, me soul take flight. Whoa, try, still rise. One step through skies. Me walk with light for life. You can cut the tree, but you can't kill the root. Still living, still growing. Then try to bury the old time song. Say it too slow, say it too long. But truth no age and fire no sleep. My roots run quiet, but them run deep. Me nah bow to plastic trend. My soul no bend, my spirit no end. Me rise each day with ancient cry, cause roots grow strong and roots not die. Roots never die, no matter the storm. Still push through even when it's torn. Beneath the soil where truth to lie. Me find my strength, my roots still high. Yes, Jah, roots never die. Them paint success in gold and show, but me know truth in what grows slow. Me no race, me just align. My feet in earth, my eyes the sign. Me chant same way my elders chant. Me no switch up just for grant. What grow from love no man can buy. Me hold the faith, my reason why. Roots never die through drought and flame. Still whisper Jah holy name. Me no boss, me no fly. Me grounded low but reaching high. Oh Jah, my roots justify. Nyabinghi drum roll like prayer. Echo fly through desert air. Even fire. So when we're gone, don't mourn Michelle. Just water the seed and wish it well. My legacy not flash or gold, but story lived and truth my hold. Me not fear Babylon's scheme. Me trod steady inside my dream. Me carry chant, my soul comply. My roots still chant until I fly. Roots never die, them living song. Them guide the weak, them steer the strong. Through every trial, me still reply. Jah love endure, roots never die. Yes, I, forever and I. Me grow where others fall. Me reach where others crawl. Me root, me rise, Jah keep I wise. Me rise, me rise, Jah keep I wise.
Easy now, let it flow. There's a river inside, let Jah love guide. There's a river inside our soul, flowing deep, flowing bold. It now makes sound like thunder loud, but it shape mountains, break the cloud. Me no need no map to ride, me just follow the stream inside. Me trust the current, me trust Jah tide. It carry I where truth reside. Like a river inside, me move slow. Through hills, through pain, me still grow. Me no fight, me just glide. Me hold your hand and let it slide. Yes, the river never dry. Them build dam, them block my way, but my spirit still find a way. Me carve through stone with silent might. Me shine in dark, no need for light. Me learn from roots, from breeze, from rain, from joy, from loss, from sacred pain. Me bend but never break or hide. Me guided by the river inside. Like a river inside, me stay true, flowing with love in all I do. Me no stuck, me no bound, me float with life, Jah keep I sound. Ooh, Jah, a river overflown. Feel the current in your chest, let it cleanse, let it bless. No need to rush, just ride the stream. In Jah river we dream. So when the world get dry and rough, we flow through calm, my heart stay tough. Me no drown in what them say, me trust your voice to show the way. The river whisper truth so clear. Don't fear the storm, just steer. And even when I slip or slide, still flowing deep, my river inside. Like a river inside, me keep peace. From dawn to dusk, me never cease. Me overflow with love so wide. Me journey long, but Jah me guide. Yes, Jah, my river is life. Me flow in silence, but my strength is loud. My river deep, my spirit proud.
I give we one more day. Time for rise, time for give praise. Me rise in the morning with bread from Jah. Me stretch me soul to Zion star. Birds them sing, me heart feel light. Darkness gone, come brand new sight. Me give thanks for the life me live, for all the love Jah daily give. No riches fake, no worldly throne, just sky above and roots me own. Rise in the morning, light so pure, Jah mercy fall like river shore. Me open heart, me spirit sing. Me walk with Jah in everything, yes Jah. Me rise and cling. Me nah check phone, me check the breeze. Me listen close to rustling trees. Them whisper truth in ancient tones. Say I man never walk alone. Me wash me face in river flow. Me clean my mind, my soul must grow. Me step slow but step is true. Each morning light Jah make brand new. Rise in the morning, chant for peace. Let Babylonic worries cease. Me plant me hope in fertile ground. Me carry joy where love is found. Oh Jah, me bless this sound. Nyabinghi beat beneath sunrise. The echo roll where eagle flies. Chimes like angels greet the day. Jah light rise, me trot his way. Me greet the sun with humble voice. Me no rich but still rejoice. Me no own mansion, no drive no car, but me carry light from near and far. For every dawn me find my way, with one love guide me through the day. And when me sleep, me know me try to rise again when morning cry. Rise in the morning, rise with grace. Me carry Jah in every place. Me sing no boast, me sing no lie, just prayer lifting to the sky. Yes Jah, me rise till I. From root to leaf, from soul to sky. Me rise until I fly.
Me no need gun, my charm song. Jah is my shield, Jah is my calm. Rebel with a prior scene. Oh, I and I no follow man-made rule. Them build the system to keep me fooled. But I read the signs and seek the sound of roots and wisdom underground. With dreadlocks flying in the breeze, I walk with honor, live in peace. No violence in this heart of mine, just truth and rhythm in a time. I'm a rebel with the prior, chanting love into the air. No war, no hate, no fear, Jah hold I near. So I rise and I chant, with every breath I give thanks. They try to divide we with skin and flag, but we come from the same old rag. From Africa to every shore, Jah children can't ignore. I and I rise above illusion. Don't feed the beast of confusion. My revolution, soft and slow, like rivers under moonlight flow. I'm a rebel with a prayer, chanting love into the air. No war, no hate, no fear, Jah hold I near. One light, one love, one flame. I don't march for gold or fame. Na 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 na. Lion heart with a healing plan. Rootsman in a Babylon land. Still chant when I overstay. fire in your soul. Let go the lies you've been told. No need for crowns or diamond ring. The truth is in the song we sing. Rebel not with sword in hand, but with the message we expand. Let your voice shake up the sky. Jah bless the ones who testify. I'm a rebel with a prayer, chanting love into the air. No war, no hate, no fear. Jah hold that near. Selassie, I lead my way through the night and into day. Still I chant, still I rise, with my prayer and Jah in my eyes. Rebel soul never die. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Lion heart with a healing plan. Rootsman in a Babylon land. Still chant when I overstand. So light a fire in your soul. Let go the lies you've been told. No need for crowns or diamond ring. The truth is in the song we sing. Rebel not with sword in hand, but with the message we expand. Let your voice shake up the sky. Jah bless the ones who testify. I'm a rebel with a prayer, chanting love into the air. No war, no hate, no fear. Jah hold our near. Selassie, I lead my way through the night and into day. Still I chant, still I. Like a tree, the roots run deep. Still I stand, still I keep faith in Jah through storm and strife. Me grow strong like the tree of life. Oh, me planted long before my birth. My roots sink deep into the earth. Through drought and storm I still survive. My branches stretch, my leaves alive. No man can move what Jah did grow. Me bend in wind but never low. From seed to stem, from root to crown. My spirit rise, me nah back down. Like a tree of life, me stand tall. Even when the rain them fall. From root to fruit, me carry light. My soul grows strong in Jah's skies. Yes, Jah, my tree of life. My tree of life. Me no chase glitter, me chase sun. Me soak up love from everyone. Me no fight shadow, me shine bright. Me feed me soul with truth and light. Some get lost in concrete maze, but I man shine through morning haze. My branch spread far, but heart stay near. To Zion drum me always here. Like a tree of life, me stand firm. Even when the system burn, me nah break, me just grow wise. Me leave them dance under Jah's skies. Yes, I'm a tree still rise. Roots deep in our ancient ground. Bassline roll with healing sound. Let the wind blow, let it test. My tree grows slow, but Jah know best. My leaf gives shade to ones in need. My trunk stands strong through every creed. Me no boast, but me exist as witness to Jah love persist. So when you feel your spirit low, come rest beneath this tree and grow. For every soul got space to climb and blossom in Jah perfect time. In the whispers in the wind. Me sit beneath the old fig tree. Let the wind come speak to me. No preacher loud, no city sound, just sacred breath upon this ground. The leaves them talking ancient code. Me feel Jah presence down this road. No need for show, no need for spin. Jah voice comes slow in the wind. The whispers in the wind, truth so clear. Jah call our soul, come trot here. No vanity, no worldly din, just wisdom flow from deep within. Yes, me hear Jah whispering. Some search eye with telescope, but Jah live close in breath and hope. Me nah climb tower to find the king. Me kneel and listen to what breeze bring. Them trust man-made philosophy. Me trust what grow naturally. Me spirit fed by roots and sky. By every hush when birds fly by. Whispers in the wind, calm and wise. Floating down from Zion skies. No drum of war, no money spin. Just gentle song from deep within. Ooh, Jah, my soul now sing. Let the rhythm slow, let the wind just blow. Let the Nyabinghi roll below. Jah speak soft and I man grow. So if you're lost and feel no way, just sit in silence, let Jah stay. Close your eyes, feel every leaf. Let every breeze bring you relief. It not come through screen or stage, but through the trees like sacred page. And when you're ready, you will find the whispers shape your heart and mind. Whispers in the wind, soft but strong. Been singing since creation song. No need for rush, no need for spin. Jah message ride the evening wind. Yes, Jah, me trod within. Me no need crowd or sound system. Me hear Zion on the rhythm. Whispers forever listen.
Me feel peace in my chest. Them talk a war, them spread the fear, but my whole calm when storm draw near. No sword, no gun, no wicked test can break the peace in my chest. Me learn from leaf, me learn from breeze. Oh, stillness walk among the trees. Me no rush, me no contest, me just keep peace in my chest. Peace in my chest, flow like tide when Babylon roar. Me still inside, no wave too big, no noise too loud. Me walk with Jah above the crowd. Yes, Jah, me humble, proud. Can't control all them do, but me control what living true. Me can't fix world in a one breath, but me protect me inner depths. Me carry stillness like a flame. In city noise, me still remain. When them lost, me manifest the sacred peace in my chest. Peace in my chest. Come on wide, it not just hide, it be my guide. Me not retreat, me not
test and hold firm peace in my chest. Me teach the youth true, oh me live, that strength is not what you can give, but what you hold and manifest. That sacred peace in your chest, peace in my chest, still and sure. Through every trial, my soul endure. It not fade out, it not regress. It grow like tree in my chest. Yes, I, your truth confess.
Me shaped by rain, me walk with joy, me walk through pain. The voice of elders in me here still guide my steps when path not clear. My skin may change, my clothes may tear, but soul stay true, Jah always near. Me no forget where me begin, cause roots run deep beneath my skin. Roots run through me strong and wide. Shame, them change my name, but truth remains, still burn like flame. Me call my granny, me call my king. Me chant the line from which me spring. My language cracked, but still it breathe. My culture buried, but underneath it rise like seed from falling tree. Cause roots run on eternally. Roots run through me deep and bold. Nyabinghi beat remind I soul. Me rooted deep, me fully whole. So tell the youth, don't walk alone. Your blood is book, your skin a throne. The knotted crown from colony, but where the roots Jah give to me. And when we're gone, my spirit rise through banyan tree and open skies. Cause I and I may truly be a branch of one eternal tree. Roots run through me, through our mind, through every thought, through every sign. It hold me firm, it sets us free. Me blessings for no roots run through me. Yes, I eternally. No tree can climb. Before we move forward, we give thanks behind. Cause without roots, no tree
not outside, but deep within the river in the soul. Me walk the valley, me cross the heat, still my soul stay cool and sweet. No matter storm or whirly road, me carry river in my soul. It come from Jah, it never dry. It keep me steady, it lift me high. Me no need well, me no need bow. The source within, it make my whole river in my soul flow so free. Wash away the doubt in me. Me stand firm, me spirit wide. Jah water flow from deep inside. Yes, Jah, this river me guide. Me no follow the Babylon stream. It's shallow fast, full of empty dream. Me hold to flow that pure and wise, like ancient tide beneath the skies. Me chant in peace, me rest in light. Me roots go down beyond the night. No dam can block, no chain control the freedom live in my soul. River in my soul, calm and true. Me flow with love in all me do. Me give, me grow, me overflow. Me plant good seeds where Jah wind blow. Ooh, Jah, your current still show. Let the dub wash over pain. Let the chimes fall like healing rain. Nyabinghi rolling sacred scroll. Me hear the river in my soul. So when me weary, me rest me mind. Me close me eyes, the stream me find. It sing no song, but still it speak. It make the strong, it lift the weak. Me carry water from the start, through every scar, through every part. And when